Hi, my name is Stephanie Clardy, President and CEO of UC Interlink. You know, at UC Interlink, we have spent 2 years in research and development trying to bring some innovation and new designs in the way companies consume technology. We are so excited to let you know that we have the very first adoption analytics tool that we think is going to transform the industry. Let me tell you about what we're attempting to do. We think that in order for customers to really consume the technology, we have to first understand the behaviors of the users and understand all the way down to the administrative assistant, to the executive, to that supply chain manager, or even the remote worker. How are they using the technology today, and what do we have to do to optimize that experience? You know, several years ago, they really didn't have the ability to do that. But today, we can create amazing experiences for every single user based on the analytics of being able to track every single element of what the users are doing. We want to be able to measure things like the behaviors of the users. How are they consuming the technology? What are the patterns of how they're using it? You know, with this kind of data, we can actually accelerate the path for which customers will consume it. For example, if a customer has an ROI for which it takes 24 months to realize that value, we think by adding adoption services will change the way that ROI is being measured. We think that you can fast track that because the #1 obstacle in delivering services and new technology is the users. And so by understanding the behaviors of the users and being able to measure the impact of how the technology is being used, we can almost guarantee and predict the behavior of every single user and how they're using the technology. We can't wait to show you how our new tool is designing and changing the way business is being done. And it's all about delivering business outcomes. You know, we think that tomorrow's market is centered around business outcomes, the ability to change outcomes, the ability to measure those outcomes. And with analytics and what we call adoption analytics, we think it's going to change the market and really transform the way businesses are working today. We look forward to showing you a demo of our tool and showcasing how we've been able to create amazing experiences for our customers. We have seen as much as 250% increase in utilization just by being able to measure the behavior of every single user. This is so exciting that we think that it's going to really make a difference in how our integration partners are delivering those services. So we want to tell you about it. So give us a call so we can give you a demo of how we're using analytics to really drive the customer and the user experience. Thank you.